So I bought one of these, it's almost like a curtain rod, but I think it's made for like a patio door. And I've been trying to come up with ways so that I can have multiple spots to charge more than one spot to charge it. And this is kind of a dry run, but it's not got any tension on the cord. It's being held up, and I can charge car in more than one stall off of one charger. So I'll try to put the stuff in the comments as far as where I bought it, what it is. But it came with those rails and a bag of those rollers. But yeah, I think it works pretty good. It's just going to roll out so I can charge the other one. And then if I want to charge over here, roll back up. So